If you're experiencing login issues with the TSB Bank mobile app, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Update the app. Visit your device's app store and check for any available updates for the TSB Bank mobile app. Keeping the app updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Reset your password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use sRARC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear out cache. Go to your device settings, find the TSB Bank app and clear its cache. This can help resolve issues caused by corrupted data stored in the app. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to TSB Bank's customer support for further assistance. They can help diagnose the issue and provide a solution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues with the TSB Bank mobile app. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.